Alright, picture this. You roll up to a campsite, and instead of blending in with the usual boxy RVs, you pull in driving a straight-up legend on wheels. I'm talking big chrome, long hood, and that unmistakable road king attitude. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving deep into the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. A rig that doesn't just show up, it makes an entrance. This thing isn't for folks who want to keep it low-key. This is for drivers who want their loud, proud, and dripping with personality. From the moment you see it, the exterior hits different. That classic long-nose design is pure old-school trucking muscle, but cleaned up and polished for the luxury RV lifestyle. The massive chrome grille gleams like a mirror in the sun, flanked by bold headlights that give it a mean, no-nonsense stare. The stretched wheelbase and tall stance make it look planted and powerful, like it owns the road before the engine even fires up. Polished fuel tanks, beefy side steps, and those iconic vertical exhaust stacks just scream American highway. Heritage, and depending on the build, you can get custom paint jobs, airbrushed graphics, or a sleek single-color finish that keeps things classy, but still tough. This motorhome doesn't whisper luxury, it shouts confidence. Step inside, and the vibe flips. From hardcore truck to high-end rolling apartments, real quick. The cockpit alone is enough to make any truck lover grin ear to ear. You've got that commanding driving position, a wide dash loaded with modern digital displays, and controls laid out so clean, it feels natural from day one. Premium leather seats with heating and cooling keep you comfy whether you're cruising through desert heat or chilly mountain mornings. The steering wheel feels solid, and visibility is excellent, making this beast surprisingly chill to drive. For its size, both move back into the living area, and this is where the magic really happens. The space is wide open and smartly designed, with high ceilings that keep it from feeling cramped. Plush sofas line the sides, perfect for kicking back after a long drive. And many setups include a convertible dinette that doubles as extra sleeping space. Big flat-screen TVs, surround sound systems, and ambient LED lighting give it that luxury lounge feel. The materials are top-tier too, with real wood accents, soft-touch surfaces, and durable finishes that can handle life on the road without looking beat up. The kitchen area is straight fire for you're looking at solid countertops, a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and plenty of storage cabinets that don't rattle every time you hit a bump. Everything feels locked in and well thought out, so whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or going all out with a full dinner, it's smooth sailing. The lighting is bright and clean, and the layout keeps everything within easy reach, which is clutch when space matters. Head toward the rear, and the bedroom keeps that luxury streak alive. A proper full-size bed sits center stage, surrounded by storage cabinets, closets, and sometimes even a small workspace. The mattress is legit comfortable, not that flimsy RV stuff, so you actually wake up feeling refreshed instead of wrecked. Soft lighting, quiet insulation, and quality materials make it feel more like a hotel room than something rolling down the interstate at 70 miles an hour. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Kenworth W900 Motorhome really flexes. Under that long hood is a heavy-duty diesel engine that delivers insane torque. This thing pulls hard, whether you're climbing steep grades, towing extra toys, or cruising flat highways for hours on end. The ride is surprisingly smooth thanks to advanced air suspension, soaking up bumps and rough pavement like a champ. Handling is stable, braking is confident, and despite its size, it feels planted and controlled. You're not racing anyone in this rig, but you'll cruise all day long without breaking a sweat. And that's the whole point. Fuel efficiency isn't exactly the headline here, but for something this massive, it's respectable. Plus, with large fuel tanks, you can go long distances without constantly hunting for a fill-up. This motorhome is built for serious road trips, not quick weekend hops. Now let's get real about pricing. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is definitely not cheap, and it's not trying to be. Depending on customization, interior finishes, and tech options, prices usually start around the high six figures and can easily climb into seven-figure territory. Yeah, that's big money, but you're paying for heavy-duty engineering, premium craftsmanship, and a one-of-a-kind presence that no regular RV can touch. This is a rolling statement, not just a place to sleep. So who is this motorhome really for? It's for drivers who love the road, who appreciate classic American truck style, and who want luxury without giving up that tough, no-compromise attitude. It's not subtle, it's not shy, and it's definitely not for everyone. But if it's your vibe, nothing else comes close. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let me know if you'd roll with a Kenworth W900 Motorhome or stick with a traditional RV. Don't forget to subscribe to Sand Reviews Hub for more insane vehicle reviews. And until next time, stay safe, keep it rolling, and I'll catch you on the next one.